Hello, dear students. Do you ever feel stuck or nervous when you try to speak English?
Don't worry, we have the perfect solution. Welcome to Learn English with Smart Podcast. I'm James.
And I'm Chloe. In this video, we will practice a very useful real-life conversation together.
Forget about boring grammar rules. We are here to help you speak quickly, easily, and naturally.
If you are ready to master this topic, let's start the dialogue right now. Hi, James. Wow, it is really cold today.
Hi, Chloe. Yes, it is freezing. I did not think it would be this cold.
Me neither. Look at the sky. Those clouds look very dark.
Yeah. Do you think it is going to rain?
I am not sure, but the wind is very strong. It feels like a storm is coming.
Let me check my phone. Okay, the weather app says it is cloudy.
Does it say anything about rain? I did not bring my umbrella.
Let me see. Yes, it says there's a 60% chance of rain later.
Oh no, 60% is high. I hope I get home before it starts.
When do you go home?
In about 1 hour. Just looking at these clouds makes me feel cold.
I know what you mean. Last week was so nice, remember?
Yes, last week was beautiful. The sun was shining every day.
I wore a t-shirt last Tuesday. Now I'm wearing a thick jacket and a beanie.
The weather changes so fast here. One day it's summer, the next day it's winter.
That is true. Which season do you prefer?
Oh, I love the summer. I like it when it's hot and sunny.
Really? Even when it's too hot?
Yeah, I can go to the beach or sit in the park. What about you? Do you like summer?
It's okay, but actually, I like autumn the best.
Autumn? Why autumn? It gets colder then.
I like the colors. The trees look amazing, and it's not too hot and not too cold. It's perfect.
That is a good point. But I hate the rain in autumn. It rains so much.
It rains in spring too. April is always very wet.
True. Wait, did you feel that?
Feel what? The wind?
No, I think I felt a drop of rain on my nose.
Really? I do not feel anything yet.
Maybe it was just the wind, or maybe a leaf. I'm just nervous about getting wet.
Do you live far from here?
Not too far, maybe a 15-minute walk, but walking in the rain is terrible.
You should get a taxi if it rains hard.
Yeah, maybe. Look at the temperature on your app again. How cold is it exactly?
Checking now. It says it is 10 degrees Celsius.
10 degrees? It feels colder than 10 degrees.
Wait, it says feels like 6 degrees because of the wind.
Aha! I knew it. 6 degrees is very cold for this time of year.
You should button your coat. You look like you are shivering.
I am shivering a little bit. My scarf is warm, but my hands are freezing. I forgot my gloves.
You can put your hands in your pockets.
Good idea. So, do you have plans for the weekend? The weather affects plans a lot.
I wanted to play football on Saturday, but if it rains, we cannot play.
What is the forecast for Saturday?
Let me scroll down. Saturday looks mixed.
Mixed? What does that mean?
It says sun and clouds in the morning, but showers in the afternoon.
That is tricky. So you can play football in the morning only?
Yeah, we have to start early. What about you? Any plans?
I wanted to have a picnic with my sister, but sitting on wet grass is not fun.
Definitely not. Maybe you can go to a cafe instead?
Yeah. Or maybe the cinema. The cinema is good when the weather is bad.
That is true. You are warm inside.
Exactly. Hey, look over there. Is that fog?
Where? Oh, near the lake?
Yes, it looks very foggy and gray.
That is spooky. The weather is really strange today.
Dark clouds, wind, and now fog.
It feels like a movie scene. I prefer blue skies. Blue skies make me feel happy.
Me too. Sunlight gives you energy. Gray skies make me feel tired.
Yes, I feel a bit tired now. Maybe it is the low pressure.
My grandmother always says her knees hurt when it rains.
Really? Can she feel the weather change?
She says she can. It's like a superpower.
That is funny. Well, my superpower is shivering when it's 6 degrees.
Look, the wind is moving the clouds. Maybe it will clear up.
I hope so. I see a tiny bit of blue sky. Just a tiny bit.
Where? Oh, I see it too, behind that big gray cloud.
Maybe the sun will come out before sunset.
That would be nice. Sunset is at 6 o'clock.
The days are getting shorter now. It gets dark so early.
I hate that. I like long days. In summer, it is light until 9 o'clock.
Those are the best days. You can stay outside all evening.
Now, you just want to go inside and drink hot tea.
Hot tea. That sounds perfect right now.
Or hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate is even better. With marshmallows?
Of course. It is the best drink for bad weather.
Okay, I have decided. I am going to go home and make hot chocolate.
Great plan. Try to stay warm on your walk.
I will walk very fast to keep warm.
And check the app before you leave, just in case the rain starts.
I will. Thanks, James. I hope you can play football on Saturday.
Thanks, Chloe. I hope you have a nice picnic or cinema trip.
Fingers crossed for the sun.
Fingers crossed. See you later.
See you. Stay warm.